All right. So basically, this is your little kitchenette. So, stove, we have the countertop oven that will be sitting over there. And if you notice, I have the exhaust fan, which I did today. So basically, we'll have a 36-inch sink base here, cabinet. I'm gonna do butcher block. So basically, it's gonna go this way. I'm not even gonna corner them. I'm gonna do two pieces. So we'll tie to that wall plus that wall. Then I'll have a 21-inch cabinet, 36-inch cabinet. Stove will be at that one. Then over here, the other butcher block will butt up against that one and tie to that wall. Sheet pans and whatnot will be stored here. But we're not gonna have a big oven. So anyways, yeah. And the pantry, plus I have live edge shelves up here, live edge shelf over there to the corner. We'll do a corner system plus above. So yeah, notice I got the fire going, nice and warm. All the pieces of cedar, so coming together. Tired. It's New Year, so I'm tired. And there's the shower. Nothing's changed in here yet. I got the drain lined out for that. I just positioned that, and I want to lay this out as well. A piece of sheetrock will be on that wall, that green board. Then we'll do a washer dryer hookup right there. I got to drill down. You know, got her bench. I have to sand this. Then use my pull so I can pull that bark off. Sand it all down, make it smooth. In the closet, notice we're storing a bunch of stuff in here, and the ceiling on the closet. In the bedroom, I got a trim batten board up top. And I got to put a trim along there and trim along the second row as well where the beam is. And trim this post, that post, that post. Then later, what I'll end up doing is trimming these beams across, these horizontals. Do them all in cedar. And you can see I got the rail up for the barn door. The stoppers on both ends. So you're gonna have a 4-foot barn door that slides. Should be about 76-inch door. So yeah, got one piece of sheetrock up here. Just wanted to see how complete it looks when I do it. So, yeah. Then I got a piece coming. I'm getting ready to go pick it up in Newport from a fab shop there. Or that way I can get that set up as well. Gives this place so much character, and I still got to build a border around this. That way it captures all this dust and shavings and whatnot. Well, that's it in a nutshell.